Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be porting the intake boots on the FZ1. This was a pretty common modification done to the 2001 to 2005 first generation FZ1s. So first let's take one of these off so I can show you what I'm talking about. So it's kind of hard to see the problem from up here, but basically there's a lip down here that goes to the inside of the actual intake where it's restricted down. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of these off so I can show it to you. One thing to note about this is it only is helpful if you already have a modified exhaust and like an Ivan's jet kit is the one I'm using, and a K&N air filter and the airbox mod. If you have all those things, it's supposed to show a pretty decent pretty decent gain on the top end without any real losses on the low end. I know there's a lot of debate about port size and all that kind of stuff, but it doesn't really seem to affect the low end. So basically what the problem is here is this right here, this area is quite a bit bigger than this area. So it's covering part of it, and all we're going to do is take the Dremel and go in here and Dremel that out until it equals this. I've actually already done this one right here. I'm not sure if you can really see it, kind of where it's a lot smoother right there. You can also kind of see the size difference between these two. It's pretty big. So we'll go ahead and start with this one. I'm just going to use my Dremel here with just a regular 80 grit sanding disc on it. It works pretty well for getting this rubber out of here. So basically I'm just going to take small amounts at a time, so I'll make sure I'm not going too far, because I definitely don't want to go too far on it. So I'll go ahead and get started on that. Quite a bit needs to be taken off at the top, and also another thing a lot of people do is take out the hump right here that's over the vacuum port there. So I'll go ahead and get started on it. So I'm going to put it up here a lot to size it on there. Need to be quite a bit taken off the top, pretty much everywhere. So go ahead and give that a shot. I'm just going to bolt it on and see how it actually fits. That one got a little more into the aluminum than I would like to, but it'll be fine. Alright, just one little spot there I'm going to touch up, and that one's good to go. So the only reason to do this, like I said, is if you have a bike making a little more power. Otherwise there's no gain. That's cleaned up. A little rubber in there. Not bad. So that's basically all there is to that, and just do it another few times, and that's how you do that. But you know, just be careful with it, take your time, and you'll be just fine.